Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the blueberry rug in Heartopia. The unique rug that looks like a blueberry. It will look like this. And to get or to buy this blueberry rug is very easy. First, just go to or tap the card icon, this one, and then next just go to the weekly selections, this one, and then just choose the blueberry rug. It costs 15 moonlight crystal, like this. It costs 15 moonlight crystal. So make sure you have enough moonlight crystal to buy this blueberry rug. You can just get the moonlight crystal from the daily login rewards, and then after you have enough the moonlight crystal, just buy this blueberry rug by tap on purchase, this one, and after that you will get this blueberry rug. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.